Hi all, this is Dr. B. I am your instructor for the course misy 3395, which is e-commerce design and development. I will walk you through the course right now and prepare you for the semester so that you can be successful at the end of it. Okay, so this is our course and I will help you to explore the course shell right now. Okay, so this is me, and again I welcome you to misy 3395. And in the getting started pane on the left hand side, you will see that I have attached the syllabus for the course and I have given you some tips to succeed in misy 3395. Let me go over the tips first. It is very important that you start your work early, at least 24 hours before the due date. Ask for help. Start early enough to be able to ask for help. Okay, if you start at the last moment, every assignment is due at 11:59 in the night, so if you start at 10 o'clock you won't get any help if you are stuck. Okay, so you should start early enough, at least 24 hours in advance, so that you can get help. Submit your work by deadline. In an online class, especially to be successful in that class, you have to be able to submit your work by deadline. You can always submit before the deadline. Okay, assignments turned in after the deadline will automatically have 5 points per day deducted. Never submit anyone else's file. Before I grade assignments, and I do grade all my assignments myself, I don't have a grader. Before I check, the first thing, before I grade, the first thing I check is that whose file is it, so I can find out if you have submitted anybody else's file. Okay, so never share your file with anyone and never ask for a file from anyone. Okay, then the first week of summer 2 is July 11 and 12. Then the second week is from 15 to 19. Third week is from July 22 to 26. Fourth week is from July 29 to August 2. Fifth week is August 5 to 9. And sixth week we have 3 days, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so the summer 2 ends on August 14. So if you click on week 1, this is your to-do list. This is your work for week 1. So what do you have to do? You have to read the course syllabus. You have to watch the welcome video. You have to explore the Blackboard course shell. You have to introduce yourself. You have to review the study guides for chapter 1 and 2. Review the PowerPoint slides for chapter 1 and 2. Review the lecture video for chapter 2 and submit assignment 1 on July 12th. Okay, so as you go down, you see that I have attached the syllabus. I am now making the video, so I will attach the video too by the time you get into the course. Introduce yourself. So when you click on here, you see that I have already introduced myself. Now you have to introduce yourself. Okay, so this is my introduction. Hi all, welcome to misy 3395. I am your instructor for this class. I go by Dr. B. I am a professor of management information systems. I also chair the department. I have a PhD in MIS from the University of Texas at Arlington. My undergraduate degree is in electrical engineering. I hope that you will learn new things this semester and you will enjoy learning them. Okay, so this is my introduction. Each of you reply to this message and introduce yourself. Tell me who you are, what is your major, what do you want to do when you grow up, and things like that. Okay, now getting back to week 1. So I have given you the study guides, I have given you the PowerPoint slides, I have given you the lecture video, and then your assignment 1 is to be submitted here. Okay, so click on here. I have attached the assignment, I have attached the file that you need to submit for assignment 1. So go from here. Similarly, in week 2, the to-do list will tell you the things that we would be doing in week 2. We have to cover chapters 3, 4 and 5. And I have given you the study guide and the PowerPoint slides and the lecture videos for those chapters. Then you have an assignment on each day, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. For each of these days you have to submit an assignment. 10 points each for each assignment. Then there is a review for exam 1. Go down here, this is the review for exam 1, and then you have to take your exam 1 from here. Okay, and exam 1 will be open from July 19 and it will close on July 22. So in between that time you have to take your exam. Okay, similarly for week 3 I have given you again your to-do list. We will be covering chapter 8 through 11, 8, 9, 10 and 11, and there is an assignment due on 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, then you will have a review for exam 2, and then you have to take your exam 2 between 26 and 29, July 26 and 29. Okay, then you have week 4. In week 4 we will start SAP. Okay, I have given you the logon information and I have given you the assignments that you need to submit on those days. For each assignment there is a walkthrough video and you have to submit, as I have asked you, a Word document with different screenshots. Then the week of 5th week, similarly you have to submit 4 assignments, and these are all SAP assignments and I have attached the assignments here. And then the last week 3 days you have to submit 3 assignments and then submit your student evaluation here. Okay, so this is the course shell. It is very important that you figure out how this course shell works. Okay, so all documents, all assignments, all reviews, all exams are loaded. The shell is complete. Now you have to just finish your assignments, take your test on time, complete all your assignments. You can complete ahead of time, but you cannot be late. If you are late, you will be penalized 5 points every day. Okay, so this is the course shell. Now I will walk you over the course syllabus. Okay, so this is the course syllabus. Once again, this is 3395 e-commerce design and development. My full name is Dr. Kakoli Bandopadhyay, but I go by Dr. B. My office is in 237 GB. I've given you my phone, but the best way, the easiest way and the fastest way to get in touch with me is through email. Okay, once you email me, I will reply back as fast as I can. Okay, then I have office hours 4 to 5. Mainly I would be replying to your emails. Okay, so just make sure that you write me emails whenever you have any issues, and I will reply back. Now the course objectives. This course introduces you to both the theory and practice of conducting business over the internet. All the different aspects, technology aspects of e-commerce will be covered, and one half of the course will be covering topics on SAP NetWeaver using enterprise portals and Visual Composer. Learning outcomes. At the end of the course, you should be familiar with the concepts of electronic commerce. You should be knowledgeable about the technology infrastructure. You should be knowledgeable about the business strategies. You should be knowledgeable about the web server hardware and software, electronic commerce software, security and payment systems. Also, you will develop skills in SAP NetWeaver Enterprise Portal and Visual Composer. AD appliance, drop and withdraw date, I would ask you to check it out. Teaching materials is Electronic Commerce 10th edition by Gary Schneider, and I have given you the ISBN number. The course will be conducted through Blackboard, so just get into Blackboard and you can conduct the course. You can have all materials available. I have given you the Connect Pro link. If you want me to be online for chatting with me, then I can be available through that link. Recommended software is SAP. SAP, we can download SAP for free. Actually, for this semester you don't even have to download. I have given you a web address. You can just get into the web and do your assignment from there. Course requirement. there will be 2 exams. Exams are closed book, closed note, conducted through Blackboard, and you have to basically get into Blackboard and take the exam. Each exam will have 50 questions, 25 minutes, and then 50 questions, 25 points, and 40 minutes to take. Your grade in the assignments will depend on the content and the structure. Assignments turned in after the deadline will automatically have 5 points per day deducted. Grade: Exam 1 25 points, Exam 2 25 points, SAP assignments 150 points, other assignments 100 points. So total will be 300 points. So 270 and above, which is 90% and above, is A, 240 and above is B, 70% and above is C, 60% and above is D, below 60 is fail. Okay, computer requirement, you can use the lab 246 or 109 GB in the College of Business, or you can have your own computer or laptop with sufficient memory and internet access. Blackboard support, I have given you the number for Blackboard support. Our SAP help, we have two SAP knowing individual who can help you with SAP assignments, Miss Liz Simmons. She is available between Monday and Friday, Monday through Friday in the morning, and then we have Matthew Rice, our student assistant, who can help you with SAP related questions on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 to 5. And you also have me, of course. Regarding SAP, I need to mention, I will add it also to the syllabus. I don't see it so far, so I think I have missed it, but I will add it before I load the syllabus, that for SAP you need a machine with Windows 7 and IE 10 and Internet Explorer browser. IE 10, you have to use that in the compatibility view, and you need Windows 7. Okay, our labs have machines with Windows 7, so that's the only thing that works for SAP assignments. Academic honesty, it is very important that you submit your own work. If you submit somebody else's work, you will be caught. Please trust me on that. Okay, and you get a 0 and for that assignment, and if you continue doing that, you may just get a grade of F and you will be asked to leave the class. Okay, course attendance policy, something is due every day, so you have to be pretty much every day you have to get into the course shell. At any point you decide to drop this class, it is your responsibility to officially drop. If you do not drop, I will not drop you on my own, and you get an F at the end of the semester. Okay, and the tentative course schedule is here. For each day I have given you the work that is allocated for that day. Remember, in summer, if you were taking a face-to-face class, you would have been here every day for 1 hour 50 minutes. So this is how I have designed the course syllabus. I expect that you would work on this course at least 1 hour every day. That should be good. 1 hour every day should be good. Okay, so if you were here, you would have spent more time attending the class. So this is the tentative course schedule. This is pretty much it. Whatever is due, I have listed what is the work that you have to do. Like in July 11, you need to look at chapter 1, work on assignment 1. Then July 12, you have to look at chapter 2. Assignment 1 you finish and you submit. So you see that you start your assignment always 1 day ahead of time, so that if you have any questions or queries, you can complete that. Okay, this is basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me, email me, and I hope that you will have a productive semester and you will learn a lot. Remember, if you have 3 courses with SAP in it, you get a SAP recognition certificate, or basically we call it SAP recognition award, and SAP increases your marketability, and when you add that to your resume, it really helps you to get good jobs. Okay, so I believe you have taken the step in the right direction, and half of the course is devoted to SAP, and you will learn to develop web-based applications without having to code while you are using SAP. All of you, let's have a very good semester and productive semester, and please get in touch with me if you need any help with anything regarding the course. Okay, thank you.